Now one more point you have to remember, dear students, the pH of various digestive juices I'll put before you now. Kindly get this by heart here now, because there were several questions based on even the pH also. To start with, salivary juice. Salivary juice pH is about 6.8, maybe 6.7 to 6.8. Okay, 6.7 to 6.8. Okay, is the pH of salivary juice, that is slightly acidic. Number 2, gastric juice. Gastric juice, its pH is 0.9 to 1.8, highly acidic. Gastric juice is highly acidic, 0.9 to 1.8. The next you have bile juice. The pH of bile juice is 7.6, that is highly alkaline here now. The next you have intestinal juice. Intestinal juice, it is about 7.5 to 8. 7.5 to 8 is the pH of intestinal juice. Is also highly alkaline. The next you have pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice here now, its pH is about 8.4. pH of pancreatic juice is about 8.4. So do remember this important points here now. Many times the questions were asked on the basis of even the pH of various digestive juices also.